Hey guys, your brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in your body, made up of billions of neurons or nerve cells that communicate through trillions of connections called synapses. It is critical to keep your brain healthy and active. With these fascinating facts, you can discover just how powerful it is. Fact no. 1. Fat accounts for 60% of the human brain. Not only is it the fattiest organ in the human body, but these fatty acids are essential for brain performance. Make sure you're properly fueling it with brain-boosting nutrients. Fact no. 2. Your brain does not fully develop until the age of 25. Brain development starts at the back of the brain and progresses to the front. As a result, the last to strengthen and structure connections are your frontal lobes, which control planning and reasoning. Fact no. 3. The storage capacity of your brain is thought to be virtually limitless. According to research, the human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Each neuron connects to other neurons, potentially totaling 1,000 trillion connections. These neurons can combine over time, increasing storage capacity. However, in Alzheimer's disease, for example, many neurons can become damaged and stop working, affecting memory in particular. Fact no. 4. Brain information can travel at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. When a neuron is stimulated, an electrical impulse is produced that travels from cell to cell. An epileptic seizure can result from a disruption in this regular processing. Fact no. 5. Your spinal cord typically stops growing at the age of 4. Your spinal cord, which is made up of nerve tissue and support cells, is in charge of relaying messages from your brain to the rest of your body. Fact no. 6. The spinal cord serves as the primary means of communication between the body and the brain. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, is a disease that causes neurons in the brain and spinal cord to die, impairing controlled muscle movement. Multiple sclerosis is another disease that affects both the brain and the spinal cord stems. The immune system attacks the protective layer that covers nerve fibers and nerves, resulting in communication issues between the brain and the body. Fact no. 7. It's a common misconception that you only use 10% of your brain. You actually use it all. Yes, even while you sleep. Neurologists agree that your brain is constantly active. Fact no. 8. The average human brain weighs 3 pounds. That's roughly the cost of a half-gallon of milk. Size, however, does not always imply intelligence. Men have bigger brains than women. Fact no. 9. Sphenopalatine ganglion neuralgia is the medical term for a brain freeze. This pain is caused by cold hitting the receptors in the brain's outer covering, known as the meninges. The cold causes artery dilation and contraction, resulting in a sudden onset headache. Fact no. 10. A grain of sand-sized piece of brain tissue contains 100,000 neurons and 1 billion synapses. However, neuronal damage can have a significant impact. For example, during a stroke, blood cannot deliver oxygen to the brain. As a result, brain cells may die and abilities in that area of the brain may be lost. Similarly, Parkinson's disease develops when the cells in your brain's substantia nigra begin to die. Fact no. 11. The human brain can produce approximately 23 watts of power, enough to power a light bulb. All of that power necessitates some much needed rest. Adequately aids in the maintenance of brain pathways. Furthermore, sleep deprivation can increase the accumulation of a protein in your brain that has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for more.